Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can download high quality movies from Netflix. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Netflix application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account, then tap on My Netflix at the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you need to go to the app settings. Here you will find the option download video quality. So by default, it is always set to standard. You need to change it from standard to high, and then you need to go back now to the movies, to the home page, and now you can select any movie that you want to download. Just tap on it, and here you will find the option download. Once you tap on download, the movie will start downloading to your device. You can find the movie in the download section, and the movie will be downloaded in high quality. So guys, this is it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.